High-income skills. What if one skill could set you free and earn you more than a doctor makes? Most people work long hours and still struggle, not because they're not smart, but because they never learned a skill the world values. Take Aman Gadji. He dropped out of high school, taught himself digital marketing, and by age 19, built a six-figure agency from his bedroom. No degree, no rich family, just skill and discipline. High-income skills like coding, copywriting, or sales are like golden keys. Once you master one, you unlock freedom. No boss, no limits, just you, your laptop, and the skill to build your own future. This is how modern wealth begins. Skill first, money follows. Networking and mentorship. Ever feel stuck, like you're working hard but going in circles? Sometimes the missing piece isn't what you know, it's who you know. When Hassan started freelancing, he barely got clients. Then he joined a local business group, connected with a mentor, and within months, his income doubled. Not from luck, from guidance, referrals, and confidence. A mentor is like a flashlight in a dark cave. They show the path you didn't see, build real connections, join events, help others, ask questions. One conversation can change your entire direction. You don't need to climb alone. Smart climbers use ropes. And ropes are people. Your next big opportunity might be hiding in someone else's story. Strategic risk-taking. No great reward comes without risk. But smart people don't gamble. They calculate. Zara had savings but felt stuck in her job. After months of research, she used part of her savings to launch an online bakery. It wasn't random. It was researched, planned, and prepared. Today, her side hustle earns more than her 9-to-5. Taking strategic risks means learning, preparing, and then leaping. Not blindly, but boldly. Think of risk like fire. Uncontrolled, it burns. Controlled, it powers engines. Start small, test ideas. Study the downside. But don't let fear freeze you. Fortune favors the brave, but only the brave who prepare. You can't win big by staying safe forever. Some doors only open when you knock. Entrepreneurship. Ever looked at a product and thought, I could have made that? That's how great businesses begin. Not with money, but with a sharp eye for problems. Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, started with $5,000 and a simple idea: comfortable shapewear. She pitched it herself, built it from scratch, and became a billionaire. All from one gap she noticed in the market. Entrepreneurship isn't just about money. It's about solving problems better than anyone else. Start with a small idea. Build, test, and learn fast. A business is like planting a tree. Water it, protect it, and one day it gives back more than you imagined. It's risky. But done right, it's the fastest road to freedom. Multiple income streams. What happens if your only source of income suddenly disappears? For most people, it's panic. But wealthy people, they sleep just fine because they have more than one stream. Meet Chris. He works a 9-to-5, teaches guitar online, and rents out a spare room on Airbnb. 3 incomes. One job loss won't break him. Relying on one income is like balancing on one leg. The moment it wobbles, you fall. But with 3 legs, you're steady, secure, and growing. Start simple. Keep your main job. Add a freelance gig, an online service, or a small investment. Then grow from there. 1 income feeds you. 2 protect you. 3 can set you free. How many legs are holding up your life? Passive income. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that you made money while you slept. That's passive income. Take Hamza. He wrote 1 digital book and uploaded it online. Now, every time someone buys it, he earns, even if he's traveling or asleep. Passive income doesn't mean zero effort. It means front-load the work once, then keep earning. You can rent out a room, sell an online course, create an app, or earn dividends from stocks. Think of it like planting a money tree. Water it at first, then let it grow on its own. The rich don't trade time for money forever. They build systems that pay them, again and again. Why not start planting yours today? Leveraging technology. What if your phone could make you money, not just waste your time? That's what Adil did. Instead of scrolling, he built a Shopify store from his laptop. With 1 viral product and smart ads, his small side hustle became a full-time income. Technology is a tool, like a hammer. It can build your dreams or just tap screens all day. The choice is yours. Learn how to use tech, AI tools, e-commerce, automation, or content creation. You don't need to invent something new. Just use what already exists better than others. In the digital age, your next income stream might be one click away. The world is changing fast. Ride the wave, or get left behind. Stock market investing. What if your money could go to work, even when you don't? That's what investing does. It makes your money earn more money. Meet Aisha. She started investing small, just $20 a week into strong companies. After a few years, her tiny snowball had grown into something real. That's the power of compound growth. Buying stocks means you own a small piece of a big company. When it grows, your piece becomes more valuable too. You also earn cash rewards called dividends. Think of it like planting seeds across many gardens. Some bloom fast, others slow, but they all grow over time. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start to get rich. Real estate. Imagine owning something that pays you every month, even while you're on vacation. That's what real estate can do. Meet Bilal. He bought a small apartment using a mortgage. He fixed it up, listed it for rent, and now earns steady cash flow every month, while the property itself keeps rising in value. Real estate is like buying a money machine made of bricks. You can rent it out, renovate and sell it, or hold long-term for big gains. It's not just for the rich. Many start small, a single unit, a shared space, even land. The key is location, timing, and patience. Land doesn't grow, but demand does. Own a piece of earth, and you own power. Education and learning. What if the real money isn't in what you earn, but in what you learn? Fatima worked at a call center for years. Tired of the routine, she took free online courses at night. In 1 year, she became a certified UI designer and tripled her income. One choice rewrote her future. Learning doesn't end at graduation. In fact, that's where it really begins. Knowledge is like compound interest. It quietly builds, then explodes. Read, watch, ask, try. Even one new idea can change your path. The world rewards those who keep learning, adapting, growing. If you want to stay valuable in a changing world, sharpen your mind like a blade. Smart minds build smart money.